Everyone, hello, namaste, welcome and welcome back to your favorite channel Get Peppy with me. And in today's video, I am at Musadilal Jewellers located at Bashir Bagh, and for you guys, I got something really very exclusive and interesting. This is just an unbelievable offer running at the store on gold and diamond jewelry. On gold jewelry, we have no making charges, and on diamond jewelry, we are getting discount on stone value and also on gemstones. A quick highlight of what we are going to see in today's video. This necklaces, if you guys are seeing lightweight, are within 5 lakh rupees. All these 3 necklaces. These diamond necklaces that you're seeing, these 3 are bridal diamond necklaces which are so very exclusive design wise. Look at the teardrop shape of Russian emerald. Aren't they so unique? And also you have this kind of cocktail kanti necklace and this kind of a diamond necklace. These pieces look so very heavy. It looks like they might charge you a bomb. But the fact is, these are made available to you at very affordable prices, and on top of that you're getting great discounts on stone value due to the 15th annual sale here at Musadilal Jewellers located in Bashir Bagh. Today's video is interesting because I have got you some amazing diamond accessories like diamond necklaces, bracelets, earrings, finger rings starting from 4 lakh rupees onwards. I'm actually talking about the necklaces because they are high end and everybody wants to buy a diamond necklace for themselves. Today's video is something you're definitely going to fall in love with, and if you are a bride and your wedding is planned for the year 2025, you should not miss this golden opportunity and come down to the store. This store is again located at बशीर बाग मुसादिलाल ज्वेलर्स, जिसका पूरा एड्रेस मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी. And if you guys liked any of the pieces, do mention your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, you can make free WhatsApp video call to see more pieces because today's video is a small video. I'm just keeping limited pieces in today's video. If you want to explore more items or more necklaces or more bracelets, you can definitely do that. So without wasting any time, let's dive deep into the world of this awesome sparkling diamond collection from Musadilal Jewellers located at Bashir Bagh. Starting with lightweight first, look at this piece and the bound though. Tie knot design antar diniki in 18 karat rose gold design. Net weight of this is 31 grams and the diamonds used here are so very beautiful, natural real diamonds with teardrop pattern. You can see a green color stone. You can definitely try and change this, customize this as per your costume or color stone of your choice. All those options are available and currently you're getting offers on stone value. Just look at the way the diamonds are set up. It looks like it's very heavy, but it's in very lightweight, and the diamonds net weight here is also very less when compared to the other diamond necklaces we see. This is the next diamond necklace, which is really very cocktail and very designer. If you guys are seeing, look at the design, the detailing in 18 karat rose gold. This gives an illusion of very heavy diamond necklace, but it's designed in a very lightweight. Net weight of this is 26.476 grams, and diamonds used here are of natural diamonds. You can see the kind of finish they have. It's so very gorgeous. This is the next diamond necklace, which is coming in V shape, and it has so very amazing natural diamonds in 18 karat yellow gold for people who like something contemporary, stylish, which they want to wear for smaller wedding occasions or cocktail parties or sangeet occasions. They can definitely go for this kind of pieces because they will definitely amp up your look completely, giving you a sparkling look for any of your wedding occasion. This is a bridal U-shape short necklace, if you guys are seeing, with real Russian emeralds, pearls in pure 18 karat gold with yellow gold used in it. Net weight of this is 68.278 grams. The look and the finish of this diamond necklace is so royal and regal. You can actually match it up with this kind of matching hanging earrings. The net weight of this piece is around 15 grams in pure 18 karat gold, which is a dangler hanging earring. If you want, you can even skip this hanging earring and just wear the short necklace. Up next is this piece, చూడండి ఎంత బాగుందో ఈ piece. Net weight వచ్చేసి 103.246 grams for this kind of a U-shape short necklace which has this arches in it. ఈ arch మనం చూస్తే ఎలా ఉంది, it reminds us of those ancient architectures which is a pure handwork in it. You can see diamonds which are in nice round cut and the finish of it, the green color stones, everything is so very amplifying. If you're looking at this, it looks like it's a very heavy diamond necklace with so many diamonds used in it, but actually the diamond weight is really very light in these pieces. You will be shocked to know about it. So you can contact us on the WhatsApp number that you see on the screen down below to know about the running offer, because of which you're going to get great discounts here at the store. This is the next diamond necklace. One of my personal favorites. Just look at the real Russian emeralds. The shine and the finish of this Russian emeralds is something that you could die for. And the diamonds used here are round cut diamonds, and the kind of finish it gives you is really very regal and royal. Talking about the net weight of this necklace is 61.542 grams, and we have a running offer here in the store, like I told you at the beginning of the video, which is a 15th annual sale here at Musadi Lal Jewellers located at Bashir Bagh. Actually, the real price, the tag price of this is 12.1 lakh rupees approximately, but after discount we are getting this for an unbelievable price of 10.50 lakhs, which is just so crazy. And people who want to buy this kind of a statement piece for yourself, this is that opportunity. Come grab this awesome piece at this exclusive prices, valid only till the 31st of January. Next piece that I have got for you guys is a Kanti diamond necklace in 18 karat gold. Usually we see a lot of Kanti designs, but this is for the first time that I saw a diamond Kanti necklace, which is just so exclusive and gives an illusion of a very heavy diamond necklace. But the fact is, the diamonds used here are of very lightweight. Net weight of this necklace is 50.412 grams, and look at the finish of it. Isn't this something people definitely want to try on their wedding day? I mean, it's not too heavy, but it's definitely very classy piece which will add a look of elegance to you. You can wear this on your Indian looks, like your saris, your khangras, your shararas, everything which will look very beautiful and amp up your wedding look completely. Even if you're a bride, bridesmaid, bride's mother, anybody can try this piece. And on top of that, we have our 15th annual sale running till the 31st of January, available only at the Musadi Lal Jewellers store located at Bashir Bagh. This is another piece which is very cocktail high-end. It looks like you might be thinking it's very costly, but let me tell you, these pieces are available to you at most affordable prices, and on top of that we are giving you great discounts on the stone value, which is including diamonds and other gemstones too. This piece reminds us of the tie and knot design, which is really very classic and also very stylish. Net weight of this is 46.996 grams. This one statement necklace will give you a very regal look. This is a unique diamond pendant and chudati and the beautiful gown diamond to part. You can see this real Russian emerald beads, red color stone which is changeable. You can see this screw. If you want, you can keep any other stone of your choice, might be in green color or even yellow color. So coming to the specifications, net weight vachesi deeniki manaki 11.280 grams partundi, and you are getting this again in the discount of the 15th annual sale of Musadi Lal Jewellers located at Bashir Bagh. You can actually wear this pendant as a pendant in chain, sleek chain, or a hair accessory, or something like a hair accessory in front like Mang Tika, or a hair accessory at the back like Pula Jada. This is another pendant that I've got for you guys in teardrop pattern, where you can see green color stones and all these round cut diamonds in leaf shape. It's really very beautiful. Net weight of this piece is coming close to 9.9218 grams, and it's in teardrop. Like you see, you can change this color to any other color of your choice. You can wear this as a Mang Tika, you can wear it as hair accessory, you can also wear this as a pendant on a chain. This piece is definitely a multi-purpose must-have piece. How can I not show you gorgeous hanging diamond earring? This is chala unique diamond earring. I mean, this diamond earring is something I was looking at from the beginning. Nakaite piece design chala baga nachindi. This is a perfect blend of modernity and also contemporary design. Net weight of this piece is coming close to 10.590 grams, and look at this. You have this kind of a clip at the back and this screw pattern which you can easily adjust and wear. The next piece, which is a diamond bracelet. Look at this diamond bracelet. So very beautiful in yellow gold, in 18 karat gold. It's perfect for people who are in a specific profession like a doctor, engineer, teacher. Vallaki ilanti piece veskunte enta elegant ga untundo, and you can just wear this one single bracelet without any other hand accessories like finger rings, bangles, watches. Definitely a statement piece. with a net weight of 10.876 grams. For all the brides who want to wear diamond bangles on their wedding day, I have got you set of 2 diamond bangle also. Look at the red color stone, which is a bridal theme completely, and look at the diamond handcrafted work. It is actually coming in screw pattern. If you guys are seeing, it is with the press on. You can just press it, okay, and this bangle will open like this. It's a press on bangle kam kada, which is super adjustable, super comfortable to wear. And this color stones also, you can change it. You can see this screws, you can change it to green color or red color of your choice. Talking about the set of 2 bangle, which is designed in 18 karat yellow gold, net weight of this piece is coming close to 51.774 grams. Just look at the design, aren't they so classy? Another set of 2 bangles where you can see this kind of Russian emeralds. Look at the diamonds, the double cut diamond, the shine, the finish, the green color stone, and 18 karat gold used. Everything is so very stylish and contemporary in this piece, which brides can wear it blindly. Net weight of this is 49.094 grams. Wow, isn't this piece something all the brides should try? Okay, so wasn't this an interesting collection of exclusive diamond necklaces, diamond accessories, diamond jewelry here at Musadi Lal Jewellers located at Bashir Bagh? This offer is valid till the 31st of January and you guys should not be missing this out. Hurry up, come to the store, explore this collection, make a free WhatsApp video call, inquire about these pieces. I'll be more than happy to respond to any of your comments in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and do share this video with your family and friends who have their wedding planned for the year 2025. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and let me go and explore my favorite diamond jewelry here from Musadi Lal Jewellers. Take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.